All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation are going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so my people, onto this one. Prophet finally reveals when the year Yoruba Nation will be actualized. My brother, my sister, even myself, when I heard that, I was surprised. Yeah, so according to this prophet, he had made it clear that the year Yoruba Nation will be actualized will be 2025. A lot of people actually reacted though onto this one that how do you mean Yoruba Nation will be actualized by 2025? Now he made it clear that all these ones that this set of people are fighting themselves, they are dragging, going for rallies and all that they don't need it. Just relax. God knows when the time will be, and God has proven that is going to be in 2025. My brother, my sister, this is so strong. Well, my people, I would like you to hear from the horse's mouth while I continue later for more analysis. All right, hear this from Prophet Tibetan.
And when I was given the message in 2020 that 5 years to come, Yoruba Nation will come to stay, but people are still jumping and jumping. Wait and see that 5 years, either from the court, either in the night, or anything. The Lord will surprise us.
All right, my people, you heard that for yourselves coming from Prophet Tibetan. He said it around 2020, the year 2020. That was when he said that the Yoruba Nation movement will be actualized in 5 years time. If you want to calculate that to now, it will be like 2025. My brother, my sister, a lot of things are actually happening right now, and then we are seeing the way the whole thing is going. Well, he made something clear that all this one that the people are running helter skelter, running, doing a rally and the rest of them, that's exactly not what will happen. That it will come easily. That God is in Yoruba Nation movement. My brother, my sister, to an extent, some set of people have been like, oh, this prophet safe, nah, waiting being home. Why you go to talk like this? Some set of people were like, oh, well, we believe you, prophet. God will continue to strengthen you. You understand? One thing I have come to realize in this is that as far as this Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, we are seeing what is actually going on right now. The people started this same rally a long time ago. They did everything they could, yet we didn't get Yoruba Nation movement. And then to the extent they waited for, oh, let's see if a Yoruba man gets there, maybe it will be better. Or else, if we find out that it's not better, then this Yoruba Nation movement afterwards, it will definitely be actualized. And if you want to take a look at what is going on right now, the Yoruba person that all the people believe that, oh, when he becomes the president, is not even doing what the people actually want right now, except we are deceiving ourselves. A lot of people are complaining that, oh, after we have voted for him, we did all this, we did that, he still disappointed us. And that's exactly what we are actually looking at right now. It's only the good Lord that will help us. A lot of things had been said. Majority of the prophets had said many things about Nigeria itself. My brother, my sister, we don't need a soothsayer to tell us the true word. We don't need anybody to tell us what is going on. The fact remains that Yoruba Nation is just the only way. We have seen it. We don't know who else is coming in to become the president. We have tried all of them, right from PDP to APC and the rest of them. Nobody had actually performed. Nigeria has been existing a long time ago. Somebody was of the opinion that don't mind all these people. They will say, don't worry, Nigeria will be better. Let's go and pray for Nigeria, of which we have been praying since 1960 till date. We are still praying. During the time of our grandfather and grandmother, they will say, let's pray for Nigeria. Up to tomorrow, people are still praying for the same Nigeria. So don't you think that the Yoruba Nation movement coming in is not by mistake? That's exactly what the way I have been looking at it. Don't you think this is not by mistake? Because a lot of people on their own part have tried many things. Now, some set of people are like, oh, let us give it a trial, maybe it will work, maybe this man might be right, because right now nobody's even talking about awareness anymore. The people had actually done that. Majority of people are waiting for Chief Sunday Igboho to declare, but the man is watching. In fact, as far as Chief Sunday Igboho is concerned right now, I'm not sure the man will want to alter any statement for now, because he has seen it that even the Yoruba people that he fought for, they are betrayers. I tell you, this man has seen everything, that these people are not to be trusted. But one thing we have known for sure, one thing I have been following that I understand, is that Chief Sunday Igboho is actually God sent. As far as Yoruba nation is concerned, I am very sure Chief Sunday Igboho is the only man standing, either you like it or not. He's the only man standing. And then when a lot of people are raining accusing fingers, insulting him, saying all sorts of things, we all heard everything. He never replied to them. When you know what you carry, I always tell my people, when you know what you carry, you don't need to shout. He can't shout. Like some of my friends will say, I fitn't shout. He can't shout. He knows what it is to be a leader. He knows what it is to get a nation actualized. He knows what it is when you are being sent to deliver your people. If you notice very well, when the whole thing was actually hot, when you have seen the kind of people you are working with, you have to calm down. When the whole thing was actually hot, Chief Sunday Igboho believed that, all the followers, all the people he was working for, he was fighting for, they are trustworthy people, until he came to realize that majority of them are betrayers. Chief Sunday Igboho is in Benin Republic right now simply because he was fighting for his people, not because he was looking for money, not because he want to live a wealthy life with true Yoruba nation's fund, no, but simply because he loves his people. He's a wealthy man, well-to-do. He has everything in his care. If he had decided that, let me leave them, let them live their life, I'm very sure this man will still be in Nigeria enjoying himself and making more money. We saw everything. This man is wealthy, but because he fought for the Yorubas, they actually made him to remain in Benin Republic. Yet they don't appreciate it. We can see a lot of betrayers, a lot of the agitators that have been exposed, that betrayed Chief Sunday Igboho with everything this man did for them. This man is a very open-minded person, yet the people betrayed him. Now he's just watching that. Let's see how it's going to play out. But right now, with the words of these prophets, he said it since 2020 that the Yoruba nation definitely will be actualized, but it will be after 5 years, which will be like, counting from 2020 will be 2025. That all those rally, all those Ojota, the people will go to, and they will go and scream, they go and shout that that's not the solution. God himself already wants the people to go, and then it will go at the right time. My brother, my sister, a lot of things though had actually been said still on the matter. Yoruba nation no going back, and exactly what it is. Well, what exactly do you think about this one, my people? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.